morning, good news, and good morning. Back to Popular Show. And today we're on this kit, and we have this right here. And I think it's not a gun club, but it's one of the haunted kits right now because yeah, they're very nice, and there's an expectation to have this as a group. I think it's 12. Yep. So without further ado, let's go and let's unleash this one with the use of my rusty but still useful hobby knife just for opening boxes and unleashing it. Let's go. Let's unleash. Yeah, this is so nice. And yeah, let's go. And we have here your... Woo! This is your Aegis Knight Achilles. And this is from the... As you can see, that's why I told you it's 12. Am I right? Yeah, you can see that right there. It's... Well, it will be the group, what we call the Round Table Knights. And we know who is the last one for that, which is King Arthur. Now we have Aegis Achilles, Aegis Knight Achilles, so it's Achilles. I don't know who will be the next one. We already have the Gawain. You can have that. And we have the very new, which is the Pickle. Am I right? Pickle, Picky. I don't know. I forgot how to pronounce it. But yeah, I already pre-ordered that kit. Also, the Gawain. I have the Incise. I forgot the Incise. Then the one is the Gawain. Then I have now the Achilles, the Aegis Knight Achilles, and then next will be the Pickle. I really can't pronounce it properly, but yeah, that's it. It has a very big kind of pickaxe, yeah, or it can be an axe already. But yeah, so much for that. So we have here on your box, and as you can see, that box is very nice, and it's not glossy, man. It's matte, mate. You can have that or whatever pronunciation we want, but yeah, it's not glossy, so nice. It doesn't reflect any kind of light right here. Yeah, a little bit, but not so much. So it's very nice to see it in the video, which I really like it. Okay, because when I'm vlogging or unleashing some kits, and then the kit is very shiny, or the box of the kit is very shiny, it's very hard to focus or which angle I should use in order that the box of the kit will be shown on the monitor. Okay, so yeah, we have here the Aegis Knight Achilles, and it's the part of the Round Table of Knights, and it's from the Beyond Exquisite brand. As you can see, it's BE right there. And yeah, but this is also from SNAA, which is, we already know what is that. Yeah, SNAA. And then another one right here at the back, not the box, but at the back of the box, which we can see already on when this kit will be built. As you can see there, it's very nice, man. See that? Very nice. Oh, it has a color combination of violet, yellow, and white, and some a little bit of sky blue, aqua blue. And then the changes or the modes of its back. It's not a backpack, it's a shield. It's a shield, and then it can be also like a claw. Then can it be a backpack also? But yeah, it's very nice, man. A very nice and a very promising kind of new line. It's an original kit from the SNAA, and also the Beyond Exquisite. Okay, so this and made in China. So yeah, let's wait for the other round tables, the Round Table Knights, or the Knights of the Round Tables. So we'll wait for that, and let's see what will be the next one. And as I know, there are already 4, because the other one, the pickaxe or the pickle, is already ready for pre-orders. If you want to, you can pre-order those on Shopee, and especially on the Snapfit Collectibles. You can go there, Snapfit Collectibles, fuel your passion. Okay, this is not a sponsor from the Snapfit, but still I will recommend their shop, because they're very nice kind of shop, an online shop on Shopee, which really gives you the cheapest and the most affordable kind of kits third-party bootlegs and other model kits that we can have on the market. Okay, so yeah, this is your Aegis Knight Achilles. Just go there under Shopee, the Snapfit Collectibles. You consider some of their available kits. But yeah, for now, this Aegis Knight Achilles is not available already on the Snapfit Collectibles because yeah, they're already sold out. But yeah, let's see if there is another order available kit for this one. Let's see. So just go there, find it if you can. But yeah, for this one, I bought it in another seller because yeah, I've been the time that I want to order this one, the pre-order is already closed on Snapfit Collectibles, and yeah, I can't buy it anymore on their shop. But yeah, I want to complete because as I know, it was post on a page of is it a page of a Gunpla builder which is from China, which this will be the round table of the Knights of the Round Table. But that's it. That's our Aegis Knight Achilles unleashing for today. So this is the Round Table Knights Aegis Knight Achilles by SNAA and also Beyond Exquisite. Okay, so yeah, you can see there, it's very nice, man. It's not glaring, but yeah, still there is a reflection. Okay, yeah. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of recent content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos and vlogs here in our YouTube channel. And yeah, same as usual, this is a third-party kit, so I don't know if I will have this as a live or a speed build. But yeah, I will unbox. Maybe just a speed. No, I want this as a live maybe. So a live build, yep, because as I promised, all of the Bandai only an original one. But this is also original, but yeah, it's not Bandai, so I'm a little bit hesitant to make this as a speed build. Yeah, maybe I should try to make a speed build of the first ever the Incise Grace. Is it that? Yeah. So another topic for that. Okay. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jack De La Paz signing off, and Gumblr Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Alright, that's it. Thank you and